Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Ulefone Note 17 Pro to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to. Then hit your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Ulefone. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Ulefone, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect, by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and use Receive button. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!